So listen. So last time what we discussed? We discussed about pitching and steering of ships. What is the meaning of steering? So when a ship turns from a straight direction to a horizontal path, it is called as steering. What is the meaning of pitching? A ship is traveling in horizontal position. If it goes up and down, it is called as pitching. So in this problem, they have given you, the given data is mass is equal to 20 tons. So convert into kg, that is 20,000 kg. Then they have given radius of dilation 0.75 meter. Second given data. Third one is the ship is traveling at a speed of 2000 rpm. Then the pitching angle pi is given as 6 degrees. So degree convert into radian per seconds, that is pi by 180. Next one, time period of the oscillation, that is simple harmonic motion, is given as 18 seconds. You want to find out C max and alpha max. C is nothing but the coupling force, alpha max is the maximum angular velocity. So given data, you want to find two terms. So the coupling force C max is given as I omega into omega P max. Omega P max is nothing but maximum angular velocity. So the formula is I omega P max. Then I is equal to, we know, moment of inertia m into k square. So mass given as 2000, 20,000, radius of dilation given as 0.75. Substituting, we are getting I is equal to 11250 kg meter square. So moment of inertia is given as 11250 kg meter square. Then omega is nothing but the angular acceleration, 2 pi n by 60. So 2 pi into n value how much given? 2000. So substituting, we are getting omega is equal to 209.44 radian per seconds. Then we want to calculate this omega P max, nothing but maximum angular velocity. So the formula is omega P max is equal to pitching angle into omega. So omega can be written as 2 pi by time period. Frequency of simple harmonic motions as discussed in the previous unit. So omega can be written as 2 pi by time period. Substituting, we are getting omega P max is equal to 0.0366 radian per seconds. Next one, C max is equal to, what is the formula? I into omega P max. I value 11250, omega value 209.44, omega P max value 0.0366 radian per second. Substituting, we are getting C max is equal to 86.24 kilonewton per minute. Okay, this one clear? Yes. So next one, alpha max. So same formula, pi into, instead of omega, take omega naught. So omega is nothing but omega and omega naught are equal. So 2 pi by time period, substitute alpha max is equal to 0.0128 radian per seconds. So C max value how much? 86.24. Alpha max 0.0128 radian per second square. Now at the final statement, we want to write the gyroscopic effort. So this tabular column, no? Tabular column. So given condition is what? Clockwise ship pitches you are seeing from rear side. In the tabular column, the ship turns into starboard side. That is the final end of gyroscopic effort. Okay.